I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you can miss it.
Colt CZT in for stage 1 map. It's got some nice parts on it. Look at the purpleness, they're very nice. Yeah, like those a lot. So first thing we've got to do is health checks. It's got a full tank of fuel, very optimistic, I like that. So let's see how we get on. Health check, Jason. We like good tunes when the cars come in, don't we, Jason? You don't fuck on me, I fuck on you.
Oh, fuck you, bloody.
I fuck you, bloody. No swearing in videos.
That's fine. Weekend's here again.
Oh, ECO needs to be determined. What in the dipstick? What have we got?
Oh, no, hardly any oil, mate. Oh, bloody hell, David.
Okay. Well, that's what health checks are for, bro. So, health check failed. Made 88 brake horsepower, ran as lean as a butcher's dog. So Jason, hello Jason, shalom, shalom, is changing the sender unit with another one with obviously a different fuel pump in it. See if that alleviates it on the dyno. If it doesn't, then
We've got big problems.
Big problems. Back
oh
to
dear, mate.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
Oh, lovely, lovely. Oh, lovely. What you doing there, Jason?
What?
Oh, come on. Just try not to spill everywhere, mate.
Oh, we want to have some milk.
Oh, they're holding the carpet.
It's all right, it's all the carpet.
Okie dokie. Do what?
Just fire it.
Alright. What are you getting so angry for?
You'll see with that, with all the air pressure you can get down it.
You can see though where it's made contact with the outside of the
outside of
turbo
the housing,
housing.
yeah.
So it failed its health checks, which is a pain in the arse, but that's what we do here. We've got to make sure they're okay. It only made about 80 brake horsepower on its first run, and that wasn't going to cut it, so we had to find a problem. It was excessively lean, to the point where I thought it actually had a bench map, but we don't know that yet because you can't tell by plugging Ecotech into it to see whether it's actually been bench mapped or not. But the bolts, the tamper-proof bolts on the ECU have been removed, so the ECU has been out at some point. Bore scope up the turbo after we checked the timing, which was alright, time was alright. Spark plugs are showing excessively lean, so they're going to have to get replaced. But yeah, bore scope up the turbo shows that the turbo's been catching on the housing. So when we dismantle that, we'll see whether the hot side has seized up or bent or what. So we'll have a look. But yes, so that's the end of this video, and in part 2 hopefully we'll be fixing it and it'll be up on power again. And let's be honest, if it came in with 80 brake horsepower and it leaves with 200 brake horsepower, yeah, that's a sizable gain and he'll feel that and he'll love that. But yep, another one on the list of things to do, so we'll get cracking and we'll keep you guys posted. Cheers for watching, guys.